According to the 2011 census report, Assam alone is home to over 20 lakh senior citizens. As the largest and most populated city in the state, Guwahati faces mounting challenges in accommodating its aging residents. Despite the growing demographic, the city continues to grapple with issues like inaccessible infrastructure and inadequate public transport.
Do you think the current city planning in Guwahati address the needs of senior citizens?
Like I would say, put it in one word, no. Guwahati master plan doesn't specify anything in particular for senior citizens, and for that matter, easy accessibility. So the concern is for the pedestrian. When the senior citizen is walking on the street, are there places where he can comfortably, safely cross over? Are there proper zebra markings where he can cross over? Are there some regulated traffic lights and points where the senior citizen can press a button, he puts all red, which is not there in Guwahati as yet.
For a senior citizen in Guwahati, it is very difficult to move around, especially because of the roadside conditions, footpath. In fact, there is no footpath at all. One has to be very careful. I'm a man like me at the age of 76. I admit it will be difficult to go because of the heavy rush of traffic.
ফুটপাথবিলাকতো বেয়াই আৰু তাতে ফুটপাথত বেছিভাগ আজিকালি চব্জি বিক্ৰী কৰে, মাছ বিক্ৰী কৰে, কিমান তুমি ক'বা দোকান দিয়ে, খোজে কাঢ়িব নোৱাৰি। আজিতো মই আহি থাকোঁতে এখন দেখিলোঁ, এইখিনিতে ফুটপাথৰ ওপৰত গাড়ী এখন উঠাই থৈ দিছে। মই আহি আকৌ ফুটপাথে নামি মই আকৌ আহিছোঁ এইফালে। কিমান বেয়া কথা ন?
I cannot cross the road because the escalator is not working. And in spite of the whole escalator not working, the government is bent on making more and more of those escalators.
The non-functional escalators on Guwahati's foot overbridges pose a serious challenge, especially for.
और जहाँ तक बसें हैं, हाँ पिछले 25 साल में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है, बट फिर भी अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है जो सीनियर सिटीज़न के कंफर्ट के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Now, if a senior citizen has to board a bus, there are no arrangement that he or she stands in a separate queue. The first thing too, we don't even have a queue system. Even if there are a few bus stops, buses don't stop at the bus stop. So those are the elements for difficulty in these areas. For senior citizen more, for citizen at large, it is also true. It is also true for them.
মইতো ফুটপাথৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত ক'লোৱে ফুটপাথবিলাক সমান হ'ব লাগে আৰু ষ্টেপ নামি যোৱা ৰাস্তাবিলাক এঢলীয়া হ'ব লাগে, তেতিয়া চব ল'ৰা ছোৱালী বয়সীয়াল মানুহ সকলোৱে ফুটপাথবিলাকত খোজকাঢ়াৰ সুবিধাটো পাব।
And I think there is also something in the society that, oh, I say you're coming by public transport, which means you're no good. Perhaps you are not up to that standard. So that also, in our society, it is something like a stigma against utilizing public transport. So all these things, I think we have to be attacked on all sides. Public, the attitude of the people. I think that is something that we have to talk about.
हम सब लोगों को भी कोशिश करनी चाहिए, जवान लोगों को हमसे ज़्यादा कोशिश करनी चाहिए, और उसमें अगर सरकार भी हमारा साथ दे तो ये सिटी ज़रूर से ज़रूर स्मार्ट सिटी बन सकती है।